Yan mga kabaro, mga probinsya. Kita nyo yung aking apo, oh. Ayan, oh, nag-create siya ng solar system daw po. Ayan, oh, ang clay, ginawa niyang binog-binog na maliit. Malaki na paliit, oh. Yan, malaki na paliit, oh. Yan, oh. Ngayon, ating tatanungin kung ano kanyang ginawa. Okay, dali. Oh. I want you to describe your solar system. I mean, you describe it. Oh. What is this? What is that big circle? Oh.
This planet at Saturn.
Planet. Oh, planet Saturn, Neptune, at saka Pluto. Ayan daw po ay planets niya. Wala siya sa galing ng batang aya. Napakatalino po nito. Akong ito. Yan, oh. Oh. Ano ulit? You repeat. Dali. You will repeat. Dali. Some question to your planets.
No. No. Sadness.
Sad. Ano yan? What is this?
Sad.
What is that? Sad. Sad.
Ito sad.
Emoji sad.
Ito sad. INC.
Bit may sad emoji.
Ano?
What is this? What is this ball?
Jupiter.
Jupiter. What is this?
Saturn. Rings.
Oh, Saturn. What is this three colors? What is this?
And
What is this?
white ball.
White ball? Oh, no, white ball. What is this? Yeah, circle.
Neptune.
Neptune. Oh, Neptune.
Uranus.
Oh, ano?
Uranus.
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 Neptune, Uranus, Saturn, Jupiter. Ang Earth, Sun. Which
Oh.
Which
And
this?
Venus and Mars, Mercury.
Ang galing! Ano, talin batang uri talaga.